Define your outdoor space with the clean design of the Baltic Square propane fire table. Cast in a high-performance, lightweight fiber concrete and finished for outdoor weather resistance, the Baltic fire table will be the centerpiece of your outdoor living space. The fire table offers up to 50,000 BTUs of heat and uses an external 20-pound propane tank. The Baltic collection features an electronic ignition, lava rock filler, and outdoor cover. An optional tank cover is also available to disguise the propane tank. The integrated lid design allows for use of the full table surface when desired. To light, simply press and hold the igniter button while turning the control knob to the light position. Once lit, rotate the knob to the desired flame height. Reference user's manual prior to operating the fire table. The Baltic Square propane fire table is available in Kodiak Brown and Glacier Gray finishes. This fire table is CSA certified.
Enjoy your patio in all seasons with the Hammertone Bronze Finish Cocktail Table Fire Pit from FireSense. This decorative fire pit doubles as an attractive cocktail table. Constructed of sturdy, high-grade steel in our Hammertone bronze powder-coated finish, this durable fire pit table features a large firebox and a lower log storage rack. The steel cover easily converts this fire pit into the perfect cocktail table companion to any patio furniture group. Whether using this fire pit for warmth or ambiance, or simply roasting marshmallows with the kids, this unique fire pit from FireSense does it in style. FireSense, the fire of living.
Pleasant Hearth's Montreal 38-inch square gas fire pit table will add warmth and sophisticated style to your outdoor living space. Its two-tone black and stainless steel design will complement your patio decor well, and it generates up to 40,000 BTUs of heat, keeping your guests warm even on the chilliest of nights. It features a piezo ignition that ignites with the push-and-turn control knob, includes variable heat settings, and a 12-inch round stainless steel burner with blue glass rocks that create an inviting flame effect. The propane tank tucks neatly away along with the push-and-turn ignition system. Use the lid to convert seamlessly into a table and the ledge to rest your food and drinks. This gas fire pit has a modern feel, is easy to use, and will be the center of attention at your next outdoor gathering. So treat yourself and your guests with the Montreal 38-inch square gas fire pit table from Pleasant Hearth.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.